Hi guys, my name is Somnath Pandram More. Today's our topic is that the data abstraction and interface in Java. The first one when we discuss the data abstraction. Data abstraction is the property by the virtue of which only is the essential details are displayed to the user. The trivial or non-essential units are not displayed through the user. Example: a car viewed as a car rather than individual its individual components. Data abstraction may be also defined as the process of identifying only the required characteristics of an object, ignoring the irrelevant details. The properties and behaviors of an object differentiate it from the object of similar type and also helps in the classifying group in object. The abstract classes and abstract methods. First one is the abstract class is the class that declared with the abstract keyword. Second one is the abstract method is the method that declare without the implementation. Third one is an abstract class may not be have the all abstract methods. Some of them can be concrete methods. Fourth one is the a method defined abstract must always be redefined in the subclass. Second one is the an interface. An interface in Java programming language is defined an abstract type used to specify the behavior of the class. An interface in Java is a blueprint of a class. Java interface contains static constants and abstract methods. The interface in Java is a mechanism to achieve the abstraction. There can be only abstract methods in the Java interface, not the method body. It is used to achieve the abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java. In other words, you can say that that interfaces can have abstract methods and variables. It cannot have a method body, and the Java interface also represent the is a relationship like as a class. An interface can have methods and variables, but the methods declared in an interface are by default abstract, and the interface specify what a class must do and not how it is the blueprint of the class. An interface is about capabilities like a player may be interface, and any class implementing player must be able to or move. So it specifies a set of methods that the class has to implement. Thank you.